Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study a new short and interesting poem in English. That is poem number 25, After School. Students, I'll ask you a question now, okay? Do you like to come to school? Yes. You all like to come to school as you like your teacher and you have fun with your friends, right? Yes. Dear students, I am sure you all are missing school very much. I know you miss reading, writing, playing, sharing tiffins with your friends, and also in school you get to learn good manners. Therefore, I know each and everyone is missing school right now. Same as with the teachers. The teachers are also missing students as they love them very much. Dear students, this poem is all about what happens after school. When students leave the school to go back home. During regular school, when it's time to go home, you want to be the first one to reach home and want to be the first one in the line, right students? Even when our school leaves, everyone wants to be first. No, you say, no, I will be first in the line. Your friend says, no, I will be first in the line. You are very excited to go home. Dear students, think of those days when the bell used to ring and you put all your books, compass box and everything quickly into your bag and wait for the bell to ring. Yes, students, this poem reminds us when the bell used to ring and how quick you were to pack your bag and go home. Isn't it? Yes, it is. Now tell me, children, when you leave the school, who is left behind? Yes, it was your teacher who was left behind because she had to complete her work. She had to put all her things in her place. And then she had to close her cupboard. After doing all this, she was happy to go back home. So now, today I am going to read this poem for you. And now you all will open your English textbook to page number 56. And each and everyone is going to pay attention. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, let us read this poem. Page number 56, poem number 25, After School. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. And off we go to play and roam, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself, but then perhaps she doesn't mind. Yes, children, let us see the first stanza. Now remember, children, one thing. When you read a lesson, right? How our last lesson was at the market, or before that the lesson, the two merchants of Seri. Now when you read a lesson, you say this is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph, right? Now when you recite a poem or when you're reading that poem, you always have to keep in mind, poem you don't use the word paragraph. Now here there are two stanzas. What is this? Stanza. Remember, when you read a lesson, you say paragraph, and when you read or recite a poem, you say the stanza word. Remember. Now let us see the first stanza. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. Now in this stanza, children says that though they like to go to school, they are very excited to go to school. Now even you all want holiday also, but now when the school starts, you will be very excited. So children here are saying they like to go to school. They are happy when they can pack their books and slates and other things. Now they are saying that we are very happy to go to school, but yes, from the school returning back, That is after last period, right? After your last period is over, you pack your bags, you pack your compass box, you pack your pencil, water bottle, everything you pack, put in your bag, and then you leave. So children are happy for that, happy to go back home from the school. So children are happy to come to school, but also they are happy to go back home. So they like to go to school, but whole day you can't stay there in the school, right? You want to go to school, but also you're very happy. When the last bell rings, you're always waiting for the bell. And then you say hooray, and then you go back home. You like to go back home, right? Yes, you enjoy going back home. You put your books, you put your slates, everything. Nowadays you all don't use slates, but in nursery time you used to, right? So all your other things, your compass box, whatever books you have exchanged with your friends, everything you go back to when you go back home, you put it in your bag. Now let us see the second stanza. And off we go to play and roam, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself. But then perhaps she doesn't mind. Now see here, the meaning of romp is to play in a happy and noisy way. So here children are saying that when children are left, when they play happily and noisily, when the school is left, their teacher is left all alone in the class, doing all her work and completing all her work. Now children, you must have seen, first teacher sends you, right? She sends you and then you go back home. But she doesn't come down with you, right? She is there in the class. What is she doing? She does her work. She completes her work. Whatever is there, the next day's work, preparations, everything is done by the teacher. Then she packs her things. She packs her cupboard. She locks her cupboard. And then she comes down and then she go back home. So children, this poem tells us that how children are happy to go home from school. They like to go to school. Everyone likes to go to school. Why not? Because you meet your friends. You meet so many of new friends there. You enjoy sharing your tiffins. You say each and everyone this, that. All these things are done in the school. But yes, also from returning home from school, that is also very exciting to each and every one of us, right? Okay, now let us read or recite this poem. Open page number 56 and repeat poem number 25, After School. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things. When it is over for the day, and off we go to play and romp, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself. But then, perhaps, she doesn't mind. Yes, very good children. Now you will recite this poem 2 to 3 times. Okay, there are no notes for this poem. Therefore, recite the poem 2 to 3 times. And thank you for watching the video. Recite the poem 2 to 3 times. Have a very nice day. Thank you.